Say it again.
What is the plan
What did you
again?
say
What do I
again?
have to do?
Pretend.
You have to go up, you pretend you're on that table, and I said knock knock who's there.
Alright. Okay, cool.
There you have it.
I'm watching now.
Alright, I'm at the table.
Yeah. Today we're gonna have, what's it called?
Nice man. Hey, are you want a cup of tea? Alright. How do you take it?
I'm just holding
Pardon?
Can you,
What kind of tea would you like?
green tea.
Okay. You want to? Do you take honey or sugar? Or
This honey.
just honey? 1 or 2? How much? 1 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, boy. Cheers. So how's your day been? You saved any people today? Yeah. Were there any baddies? Who? I read in the newspaper. Oh my god!
What?
Fireman! Is he back in town?
And he's bad.
Yeah, he's bad. He's your enemy.
No, but he's better. He's over there, look.
Oh my
He's
god.
on that chair.
Fireman's so annoying. He's always
You mean to kick it over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do something about it? Yeah. Quickly!
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 Superheroes don't go slow.
He's just had a green tea. He's a bit zen.
Crawl under the table for, what's his name?
But Iceman.
Green tea boy.
Good luck, Iceman. Call me later.
Ice tea boy, go get him. Iceman, go get him that chair.
Kick over the chair.
I can see him in
Kick
that
it over.
chair.
Get him.
Get that,
Yeah.
Whoa, and again.
Fire, dude.
Push him over. Whoa, yay! Hooray for Iceman.
Oh, hey. Did you do it? All right. Well
That's
done.
what you
Well
do.
Now he's on that glass.
Do you ever feel bad for the baddies? No, they're evil.
They deserve it, don't they? Hey, I got